Welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you how to submit your task proof on the Arichain network. So we are going to be looking at a few things that are required for this task to be successfully performed. But before we go ahead, if you know you are not subscribed to this channel, hit on the subscribe button so that you will get our notifications when new videos are published. Or I haven't done that, so look at this that says submit your tax proof. That is the area where we're going to be clicking, and then we have 17 days to complete the task. Otherwise, you will not be eligible to get points when the TGE is performed. Okay, what exactly do we need for this task? So we hit there, you can see we need that you should submit your EVM wallet address. You also submit your Discord handle and then your Twitter handle. Then what is an EVM wallet address? EVM simply stands for Ethereum virtual machine, and that address, whatever coin you're going to use, make sure it is running on Ethereum network. For instance, we're going to use Polygon here. So let's go to our Trust wallet. You can use Trust wallet. You can use MetaMask or any other one that you already used to. So open our Trust wallet, and so here we check. We don't have any coin already, so we look at this place that says Manage Crypto. Click on it, and then inside the search box, we search for Polygon. Polygon. Okay. Then here that says All Network. You just click it, and then you click on the Ethereum. You click on Ethereum, and you see that this particular Polygon is in Ethereum network, so you enable it. So for us not to just go far, you click on the coin and you come to this place that says receive. You click it, open, and you see the address here. So you click on this copy button to copy the address. So we'll go back to our area here and paste that address into it. All right, our Discord handle. How do you also get the Discord handle? You go to your Discord account, look at this place where your picture is, click it. All right, you can see under here now, you can see my name here, which is Efogo. You see the one in small letter. That is my Discord handle. So we'll go back to this place and write that. So I have Efogo as my Discord handle. Of course, I don't need to tell you how to locate your S handle, which is always easier. You just go to S, you check to, you see the one that starts with at. That is at, for instance, my own is at F4Just. So that is it. After that, you click on the verify button, and then it automatically has brought up what I have in my account. You can see the ARI and the REG coins that I already have. So you click the submit button. All right, it says task proof submitted successfully. To complete your proof submission, please enter the same information: wallet address, Discord handle, and Twitter handle using your submitted Discord account. Submitted successfully. Okay, so if at any point you need to edit because you feel that the information you submitted is not correct, you click on this edit info button here to submit a new one. So that is it. There is no other thing you need for now. So for you to be able to successfully do that and be eligible, you need to do it within the next 17 days. If you do not do it, you will not be qualified to receive those coins. Please resubmit if you need to edit your SD code or whatever. So that is just it. If you need to you edit here and resubmit. So everything that we need is already done. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you're going to do it. See you again in our next video. Remember, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and make sure that you keep getting information whenever we do new videos. Thank you.